Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to this amazing platform. I am Momita and I'll be your Korean trainer for today. So in the last class, we learned how to talk in the past tense. Today we are going to learn about 날씨 or the weather. 날씨, weather. Starting off with 어휘. Our first 어휘 for today is 계절. 계절 is seasons. 계절. Next word we have 봄. 봄 is spring. Continuing, we have 여름. 여름 is summers. Next, we have 가을. 가을 is the autumn or fall. So, one thing you need to be careful of is if I am adding the object marker after 가을, right? 가을, okay. So, I am going to hatching shift rule. So, this becomes 가을을, right? Spelling remains the same. Pronunciation would look something like 가을을. This is only the pronunciation. 가을을, right? Next one we have 겨울. 겨울 is winter. Again, the same thing here also. If I am adding object marker, 받침 shift, so this becomes 겨울은, 겨울은, 겨울을, right? 겨울을, 겨울은 for topic marker. Okay, also 가을 and 겨울 sound quite similar, so be careful of 가을 and 겨울, autumn and winter. Next we have 덥다. 덥다 is to be hot. Now you need to know that verbs and adjectives which are ending with this letter, that is of course after eliminating dha, ending with this letter change to u when we add endings to it. Yes, when we add grammars to it, B changes to U. So, ayo, oyo, heyo. Let's see how that will be. So, B changes to U. So, dho, U. With U, we add oyo. So, this would become dho, woyo. 더워요. 오늘 날씨는 더워요. Today, the weather is hot. 더워요. Okay. Similarly, for formal ending, it will not change. 덥습니다. 덥습니다. It is hot. Okay. Next one, we have 춥다. 춥다 is to be cold. Again, ending with a B. Same rule. 추우 plus oil. So, this would become 추워요. It's cold. Formal, 춥습니다. 춥습니다. Okay. Next one we have 따뜻하다. 따뜻하다 to be warm. Now a pronunciation rule, when these two consonants come together, the sound is th. 따뜻하다. Sounds something like 따뜻하다. But this is just the pronunciation. 따뜻하다 to be warm. 하다 changes to 해요. So 따뜻해요. 커피는 따뜻해요. The coffee is warm. Next one. 시원하다. 시우 or 워. 시원하다 to be cool, to be refreshing. To be cool and refreshing. So 시원하다 can also be used for something like an idea. Somebody had a very new idea, refreshing idea. So for that case also, 시원해요, idea 시원해요, the idea is really cool or very refreshing, or something like maybe you're having a very refreshing lemonade. For those cases also you can use 시원하다. And of course for the weather also you can use 시원해요 to be cool. Next we move on to 쌀쌀하다. 쌀쌀하다 is to be chilly. Not exactly very cold or 시원하다, somewhere between the two. 쌀쌀하다. It's a little chilly. Then we go on to 비가 오다, to rain. So, 비 is basically rain. 비 is rain. To that I am adding gha, which is my subject marker, and oda is to come. So, literally it means the rain comes. So, oda changes to 와요. 비가 와요. It rains. 비가 와요. Next one we have 눈이 오다. Now, nun is snow. Similarly, here also I am adding E, which is my subject marker. Oda to come, the snow comes. Nuni wayo, it snows. Nuni wayo. Next we have 좋다. 좋다 is to be good. 좋다. Again, these two consonants when come together, it sounds like tha. 좋다. To be good, to be nice. So 좋다, if I add ayo oyo here to this, I add ayo to 좋다. Ayo. So this becomes cho ayo. Why? Something is good. So for example, BTS 좋아요. BTS is good. BTS 좋아요. Next one we have 좋아하다, to like something. This was 좋다. This was 좋아하다, to like something. So 좋아하다 changes to 해요. BTS 좋아해요. I like BTS. 좋아해요. BTS 좋아해요. BTS 좋아요, to be good. BTS 좋아해요, to like BTS. Okay. Next one, we move on to 문법 or grammar for today. Our first grammar is 그리고. 그리고 is used as and we also did another and. Noun, 하고. Noun we have also done in the last class. So while 하고 is connecting two nouns in the same sentence, 그리고 is connecting two sentences. Connects two sentences, right? So let's take an example. 저는 BTS를 좋아합니다. I like BTS. 좋아하다, 좋아합니다. I like BTS. 그리고 and 블랙핑크도 좋아합니다. I like Blackpink also. 도 is to and also, right? 그리고 블랙핑크도 좋아합니다. I like Blackpink also. So, just like here, I am adding 를 to BTS. I like BTS. BTS becomes my object marker. Here, Blackpink, with Blackpink also, I should have used 를. Blackpink를 좋아합니다. Right? But, when I'm adding 도, I don't need to add my object marker. Right? So, either I'm putting my marker, either I'm putting 도. So, instead, if I had said, 그리고 Blackpink를 좋아합니다, that would have also been okay. That is also grammatically correct. So what happens is 도 basically replaces your markers. Same would go for topic marker and subject marker also. So either you use a markers, either you use 도, right? 저는 BTS를 좋아합니다. 그리고 Blackpink도 좋아합니다. You might think that these are ending with consonants, so why are we using 를? Actually, if I write it in Hangul, they would be ending with vowels. Therefore, I am using 를 with both of the names. Next, let's see another example. 어제 학교에 갔어요. I went to the school yesterday. 그리고 오늘 집에 있었어요. I was home today. 있다 is to exist. 있어요 is in present tense. 있어요. Now, I am adding oyo, right? So, in past tense also, I'll be adding ot. So, 있었어요. 있었어요. Past tense of 있다. Okay. Next 문법 for today is 그래서. Now, 그래서 also connects two sentences. Just like 그리고, but the first sentence is the reason for the second sentence to occur. First sentence is the reason for the second sentence to happen, right? Let's see an example. 저는 한국 드라마를 좋아해요. I like 한국 드라마 좋아해요. I like 한국 드라마. 그래서 한국어를 배워요. That is why, therefore, I learn Korean. Right? I could have also said K-pop을 좋아해요. K-pop을 좋아해요. I like K-pop. K-pop을 좋아해요. 그래서 한국어를 배워요. Therefore, I study 한국어. Another example. 가을을 시원해요. 가을을 시원해요. Autumns are cool. 그래서 가을을 좋아해요. That is why I like autumn. Next one. Next 문법 for today we have verb adjective with an. right? So un is used to negate a word or adjective. Make the sentence into a negative sentence. I am a teacher, positive sentence. I am not a teacher, that not is making it a negative sentence. So for words which are noun plus hada, un is placed between them, between noun and hada. Okay, let's see examples. 여름은 더워요. 여름, summers, 더워요, coming from the word 덥다, to be hot. So summers are hot. 그래서 안 좋아해요. Therefore, I don't like it. I'm adding it before my verb and adjective. 그래서 안 좋아해요. 오늘 날씨가 안 좋아요. Today, the 날씨, the weather is not good. 좋아요, to be good. 안 좋아요, not good. Another one. 어제 공부를 안 했습니다. Yesterday I did not study. 어제 공부를 했어요. I studied. 공부를 안 했어요. I did not study. Okay. So today we learned about 날씨 or the weather, and that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. 안녕히 가세요.